Hi guys, this is Sherry from RinPac Packagings. Welcome to my channel. You can get some details about customized Mylar bags in my channel and make your Mylar bags more attractive.
Can stand-up pouch be special shaped? Yes, stand-up pouches can be special shaped to meet specific packaging requirements or to create a unique look for a product. Some common special shapes for stand-up pouches include 1. Oval-shaped stand-up pouches. These pouches have an oval contour that provides a distinctive appearance and can help products stand out on retail shelves. 2. Die-cut shaped stand-up pouches. These pouches have custom die-cut shapes, such as hearts, stars, or other unique designs, which can be tailored to fit the product inside. 3. Irregular shaped stand-up pouches. These pouches have irregular shapes that deviate from the traditional rectangular or square design, offering a creative and eye-catching packaging solution. Special shaped stand-up pouches can help enhance branding, differentiate products from competitors, and attract consumer attention. They are a versatile packaging option that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information for customizing your Mylar bags, please don't be shy. Free to come chat with me. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.